How you going, guys? Mechanic Shivy. So this is the part we've all been waiting for, or well, I hope so, or while you're watching the series. But now I'm up to replacing my valveTronic motor, and I'm going to be replacing the shaft as well. Now, two things you got to understand: minimum and maximum. So this is the minimum point here, maximum's over there. Alright, so we're going to be removing the minimum side and swinging the gear past the worm gear, so we can slip out this valveTronic motor. So one of the first steps I'll do is I'll remove the oil feed or the oil squirter. Alright, and then we're going to pump it with brake cleaner and make sure that it's not blocked or anything. Alrighty, so it's an E8 there, guys, not an E6. Okay, so slowly feed that out, slide it out like so. Okay, and now we need to remove the minimum side bottom lift on that one. So I've got two Allen keys here, they're both 4mm. One's a long one, one's a short one. The long one I'm going to be using to control it, this one I'm going to be using to lock it. Alright, I've got myself a mini shifter, and we're going to be turning it all the way up to maximum lift. So we'll put our shifter in the back, okay, and we're going to start turning it. Okay, so here we go. You're turning this and putting equal pressure on the shifter at the same time. We don't want it to swing or anything. So okay, it's gonna give it maximum pressure in a bit, so you need to be careful with the way you hold your shifter. Okay, so the load's almost there. I don't want it to smash against the stopper. So be very, very cautious here. Do not let it slip. So I'm going to reposition my shifter again. We're almost on max spring tension. So now I've just got the weight with the spanner, and now the tension's coming off as it hits the maximum side. But I'm not still safe with that, so I'm going to pull this out. Alright, I'm going to get my short one. I'm going to lock it in because they can fly out, especially when my fingers are going to be there. It doesn't look good, so I'll go and tighten that up against here. Okay, so we've got tension, so we've locked that. Try to keep your fingers away from everything still, even though we've been taking safety precautions. Okay, 11mm. 11mm stopper. We'll move that out of the way. And now we're going to be flinging it back once again. Have to be very, very careful. We don't want to smash it. Okay, now we've got no stopper. So need to be very, very careful. So I'm going to release the Allen key. I want to be putting the other one in and start wheeling it. Just be careful, guys. Like I said, it can slip on you. Now I'm on maximum tension. Okay, so it is coming down fairly quickly. Now I'm maximum loading. I'm going to take off this. I'm going to take off the spanner for a bit because I've got it locked with my hand. I'm going to flip it around. We're going to go again. We're going to keep going. I'm going to stop this again. I'm going to come around. Yeah, let's go again. And this is like maximum load right here. So now the load's coming off. I'm going to hold it again. I'm going to come again and let's go. So we're going to go. We're going to go like that. Now we're almost done with our gears, but not quite. you almost see it almost coming out. So now we need to swing it back. Be careful. Right now you can still swing it. So we're going to keep that there, like so. And I'm actually going to keep this attached, okay, because I'm not quite happy with it, even though it should be alright. And then I'm going to get my T30s, and we're going to be removing the actuator bolts, so the valveTronic motor bolts. Okay, so I'm going to be holding that again. So number one. So number two. And then our last one. This is our last bolt here. Alrighty, so all the bolts are out for the valveTronic, and now we're going to twist it, up and twist it some more, and here she comes. So here's the bad boy here. Okay, there you go.